Okay, I was thought I was flying under the radar on this ice bucket challenge, and but then I saw my niece Emily nominated her father, my brother Tim, and I realized that time was short. I was going to be found out. So here we go. Um, I'd like to nominate. I'd like to nominate my wife, but I'm not an idiot.
No,
So, so instead, I'm going to nominate my brothers-in-law, Dave Malampy and Jamie Benson, to make a donation. I did make my donation within 24 hours, but I was encouraged to do the ice bucket portion of this anyway. I was strongly encouraged. I was vociferously encouraged to do this part anyway. So I'm going above and beyond. Make a donation. I don't care if you put ice water over your head. That would be fine to see. But Dave and Jamie, you're challenged, and let's get this over with. Okay.
And here we go.
Okay.
Here we go.
Yep. Ooh, man, that is cold. Okay, let's stop the video and go from there.